UPS I turned into a power station. It's 550 VA, 330 watts. What I did, I installed some USB by the side. So when I turn on this light, you see, there are 3.1 amp. When I flip this switch, it's off. And then what I did, I installed a voltmeter there. So when I do like this, it will tell you how many volt the battery have inside. And then what I did again, these are some USB I installed. When I flip the light, you see, that's a fast charge. When I flip the light, that comes on. Then this is to turn on the UPS. Once after I turn on that, I just do like this. I press again, press on hold for a bit, and you see the UPS comes on. This is 120 volt output. I think it's like 5 amp, I cannot remember. And then you could charge it from here. So this is a 2 amp charger. So what I did, this, I plug this inside up there, and then the plug, I take the plug and I plug it in by the wall. And then you see, it's charging. See, it's charging. So you could charge this by both ways. And then here is where you could charge it again. So this, when I turn on this switch, this is for this one. This is for the one up top, you see. And then this is a voltmeter I installed inside of it. Show you what I have inside of my Motermaster. This, there are 18 amp, 12 volt. What I did, I installed a fan here. So when I turn it on, because the UPS, it will get hot. So I put the fan over the transformer. So this fan will cool down the UPS. So this, it will cool down the UPS. I install a fan inside there. So this, you could charge it from here. So